In this video, let us solve this question. So we have 5 raised to the power t is equal to 60, and here we to solve for the value of t. So solution, the question is 5 raised to the power t is equal to 60. So the first thing we're going to do is to introduce logarithm to both sides of the equation. So logarithm of 5 raised to the power t is equal to log 60, such that we can then apply one of the rules of logarithm, that if you have logarithm of a raised to the power b, this equals b times logarithm of a. So applying this rule right here, power t will come behind, and this becomes t times logarithm of 5 is equal to log 60. And with this, t times logarithm of 5 is t log 5, which equals log 60. From here, to then solve for t, divide both sides by log 5 over log 5, such that log 5 cancel log 5. The value of t is equal to, we have log 60 over log 5. Okay, so next, to simplify the value of t further, t is equal to, we can express 60 as 12 times 5. So log 60 becomes 12 times 5, then all over log 5. And from here, applying the rule of logarithm, that if you have logarithm of a times b, this equals logarithm of a plus log b. So applying this to the numerator right here, the value of t is then equal to log 12, then plus log 5 all over log 5. And with this, the value of t is equal to, let us then split the denominator. This becomes log 12 over log 5, then plus log 5 over log 5. And from here, we can still simplify the value of t further, such that t is equal to log 12 over log 5 plus log 5 cancel out log 5. What we have is 1. And with this, you can still express 12 as 4 times 3. So the value of t equals logarithm of 12 becomes 4 times 3, then all over log 5, then plus 1. And from here, applying the rule of logarithm, that if you have logarithm of a times b, this equals log a plus log b. Applying this right here, the value of t is then equal to log 4, then plus log 3, then all over log 5, then plus 1. So from here, if we are to split the denominator, the value of t is then equal to logarithm of 4 over logarithm of 5, then plus log 3 over log 5, then plus 1. And with this, we can express 4 as 2 times 2, which is 2 squared, shows that from here, t is equal to logarithm of 2 squared. 2 squared is 4, then all over log 5 plus log 3 over log 5, then plus 1. Now, there is also another rule of logarithm, that if you have logarithm of a raised to power b, this equals b times logarithm of a. So applying this right here, the value of t is then equal to power 2, then comes behind, it becomes 2, then times the logarithm of 2, then all over log 5, then plus we have log 3 all over log 5, then plus 1. At this junction, to get the answer for the value of t, you can press in your calculator 2 log 2 over log 5 plus log 3 over log 5 plus 1. You will get the actual value for the solution for t. But this can still be simplified further. We can simplify this by applying this rule, that if you have logarithm of a over log b. This equals logarithm of a base b. So applying this right here and here also, this is then equal to the value of t. T is then equal to 2 logarithm of 2 base 5. Then we have this plus log 3 over log 5. This becomes plus log 3 base 5. Then we have plus 1. Okay, so plus 1. And with this is the simplified answer for the value of t. Now at this junction, let us then confirm. Let's check whether the value of t that we got is the correct solution. So let's check. Now back to the equation. The equation is 5 raised to power t is equal to 60. And we got the value of t to equal this. So inputting the value of t into this equation, this becomes 5 raised to power t is 2 log 2 base 5 plus log 3 base 5 plus 1. With this equals 60 question mark. Now applying the principle of indices, that if you have a raised to power b plus c plus d, this is equal to a raised to power b times a raised to power c times a raised to power d. Applying this principle right here, this will then be equal to, we have 5 raised to power 2 logarithm of 2 base 5, then times here also we have log 3 base 5, so 5 raised to power log 3 base 5, then times we have plus 1, so 5 raised to power 1. With this equals 60 question mark. Now from here, we can apply this principle that if you have a times log b, this is equal to log b raised to power a. The a comes on top to become the power of b. So applying this right here to this power right here, this then becomes, we have it to be equal to 5. So power 2 goes up, it goes up, it becomes log 2, then this 2 goes up, this becomes 2, then base 5, then times 5 logarithm of 3 base 5, then times 5 raised to power 1, with this equals 60 question mark. This is then equal to 5 raised to power logarithm of 2 squared is 4, then base 5 times 5 raised to power logarithm of 3 base 5 times 5 power of 1 is 5, with this equals 60 question mark. Now from here, we can apply this principle that if you have a raised to power logarithm of b base a, this is equal to b. So applying this principle right here and here also, what we then have is that 5 raised to power logarithm of 4 base 5 is 4, then times 5 raised to power logarithm of 3 base 5 is 3, following this principle, then times 5. So with this, will it equal 60 question mark. Now 4 times 3 is 12, 12 times 5 is equal to 60, and this is also equal to 60. So with this, that means that the value of t that we got as 2 log 2 base 5 plus log 3 base 5 plus 1 is the correct solution. So ladies and gentlemen, we've come to the end of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.